Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Earth 2.0 review. So if you've been seeing people talk about Earth 2, often written out as Earth 2.io, well, in this case, let's break down exactly what this platform is and what it offers and how the official mechanics actually work if you decide to jump in and use it. So first, what is Earth 2? So Earth 2 here is a digital metaverse platform that features, let's just say, a one-on-one virtual replica of Earth's geography. Now, the surface of this virtual globe is mapped out and divided into grid of approximately 5.1 trillion digital tiles. Now, with each tile representing a 10 meter by 10 meter area in the real world. Now, it functions as an open economic simulation of EcoSim where users can buy, sell, own, and trade these virtual blocks of land using platforms native in-game currency known as, let's just say, ES or $. So yeah. So what does the platform actually offer? The entire Earth 2 ecosystem revolves around the geographic ownership and asset accumulation. Now, according to the platform details here, there are here the main features and concepts you'll interact with are as follows. So first is they have the virtual land tier. So land on the platform is categorized into different tiers. So tier one, original properties owned early in the platform's history, which come in unique bonuses and generates a digital asset called essence. Now tier two and three here, newer land titles that start at a lower baseline price point at like 0.10 E per tile, but have different resource generation parameters. Now, the in-game ecosystem here, so the land ownership is tied to a broader economic loop. Now, owners can build a digital structure called Mentor on their land to begin detecting and collecting e-ther. Now, this e-ther can later be transformed into Essence, a major utility asset within the game used for mining and building. Now, Earth 2 property locators here, or EPL. So if you own tier 1 land, you can purchase like an EPL. So this allows you to upgrade your generic property code into a custom name of your choice, creating a direct shareable URL. Now, also, do you have dual balance financial system? So your account features two distinct metrics. So first is account balance, which is wide. So your active ES credits used for buying and trading. So one $E is pegged to a value of like 1 USD, and this balance can be withdrawn through the settings page. Now the network here, which is yellow, is a fluctuating reflection of the combined estimated value of all your properties based on current marketplace demand. So in this case, how do you exactly start using it? Well, you can actually start using the platform by signing up. So typically in their website, at the top right, you have the login and sign up page. You just need to click on it, and you could just provide the necessary details. You could log in by providing your email, or you could go and click on create one, and you just need to provide your email here, and also the basic details about yourself, like your password and setting up your account. So in this case, once you do set up your account or registered with an email here, it is recommended that you go to your settings menu and click the manage two-factor authentication to set up two-factor authentication using a mobile authentication app to protect your assets, because later on you'll be owning a lot of stuff inside if you do proceed on using the platform. Now, from then on, you can start buying new or available land. You could start using the player to player marketplace, which is quite awesome, and also setting up your referral code if you want to, like, basically you can copy like a unique promotional referral code from your settings page, and you can just basically share this and applying a valid code during checkout provides a purchase with a 5% credit back on the transaction amount, and simultaneously grants a 5% credit bonus to the owner of the code, which is something really cool if you want to take advantage of that. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.